Today we are going to color grade this image using the free features in Lightroom mobile. Now opening the photo in Lightroom mobile, first selecting the crop tool, selecting the ratio and cropping the image. After cropping the image, select the light menu and the curve, making a little bit of changes in shadows, moving the first left point towards upside and adding some contrast. In midtones, increasing the value a little bit and adding a point in highlights and adjusting it. Decreasing the value of whites -60. Now select the color menu, adding warmth a little and decreasing the tint -10. Now decrease the vibrance -20 and add some saturation +10. Now select the color mix. In red color, increasing the luminance around 60. In orange, decreasing the hue -40. Adding saturation a little, adding luminance around 30. In the next color yellow, decreasing the saturation -20 and adding luminance +30. In green color, moving the hue towards aqua 30 and decreasing the saturation -30. Also adding some luminance. Decreasing maximum saturation in all remaining colors. Now select the effect menu. First adding some dehaze, decreasing the value of vignette -40 and the midpoint value 14, increasing the maximum values in feather, roundness and highlights. Now select the detail menu, increasing the sharpening value 40 and adding noise reduction +40. Color noise reduction value is 20. The final look is here. Thanks for watching.